Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Barclays credit card online step by step clearly. Make sure you have your new Barclays credit card, your phone, and a stable internet connection ready. Turn the card over and locate the security code and any activation instructions printed on the back. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and type Barclays Company, UK, or your local Barclays website address. Click Login and enter your Barclays online banking username and password. If you have never used online banking, select Register and follow the prompts to create your login. Confirm your identity when asked, using the verification method Barclays provides, such as a code by text or the Barclays Card app. After you are logged in, go to the Card section or find the Barclays Card area in your account dashboard. Look for an option that says Activate Card, Activate New Card, or Card Activation. Click the Activation option to open the activation page. When prompted, enter the long card number exactly as it appears on the front of your card. Enter the card's expiry date in the correct month and year format. Enter the security code from the back of the card if the page requests it. Provide any additional details requested, such as your date of birth or postcode, to confirm it is really you. Carefully review the information you entered for any typos before continuing. Click Continue or Submit to send your activation request. Wait for the confirmation screen that says your card is activated successfully. If you see a message asking you to make a chip and PIN purchase first, note that contactless may not work until you do. Create or confirm your card PIN if the website offers a PIN setup option. Write your PIN down only in a safe place and never store it with your card. Log out of online banking after activation to protect your account. If you prefer, you can also activate in the Barclays app by signing in and selecting your new card to activate it. Check that your card status shows active or ready to use in your account. Try a small purchase online or in-store to confirm the card works, following any first use instructions. Set up alerts or notifications in online banking so you know when transactions happen. If your card is blocked or you entered details incorrectly too many times, stop and wait as instructed on the screen. Contact Barclays support through the official website or the number on the back of your card if you still cannot activate. Keep your card in a secure place and sign it if there is a signature strip. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.